Well, it's April 12th. And as you can see, we've got plenty of water. And we got snow. You can't graze cows in the snow. Man, it's really been a long winter. Just will not let up. So we're just planting in a square here, and then we're gonna come across like a checkerboard. Some people do it in a diamond shape. They say it's better coverage, but for the sake of me being a beginner class farmer, I'm just keeping it square. And then if I want to do a different field, then I might try something else. But we'll start the first one like this. Yeah, everything's working like it should. I'm just gonna check the hopper. We're a quarter of the way done with the first pass. See how we're doing on the seed here. Looks like we're doing pretty good. Yeah. Just keep an eye on it, see how much seed we're going out versus how much field we have left, and make adjustments. Got a little adjustment handle right there. I'm noticing that the field looks a little crooked. That couldn't be me, could it? Nah. The field's crooked. Yeah, that's right. The field's crooked. So just moving along here. Everything seems to be working. Gentlemen, we are farming. Yoo! I just finished going my first direction of this. I think it's about 6-acre pasture with the interseeder. And judging by how much seed I have left, we're burning a little more seed than we want to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep adjusting it down as I go the other direction. Because we have a set amount per pounds what we want for the acre, and to distribute it evenly throughout the acreage. So, and it's just a good tune-up for me, so I can learn the machine and learn how to adjust it properly. So it's no big deal. We just buy a little extra seed for this, and yeah, continue on. So I am about a quarter of the way through going the other direction. I'm gonna go check the cows, just get out of the cab for a little while. Maybe they need some more pasture. Yeah, just take a little break, go on a little walk. So I took some footage of this field. It's field number 4, and it measured 9 inches on the stick, and there's around 120 milk cows in here, and they only have half the field, and they are all laying down very happy, and they still got lots of grass in here. I mean, it is thick. So this field's looking really good, even though it's got a little pond in it over there. It's holding them here, so there's a lot of grass. Good thing for us. So Coach Mike, when I first started, kind of told me, as just an indirect saying, he goes, a cow that's laying down is making money. I see a lot of cows laying down, so that's good for us. That means they're happy, comfortable, content. And there's a few standing up, but that's just their choice. We're just not that tired. But majority of them are laying down, and they haven't made a whole lot of mud. So looking very, very good out here. I think tonight they might even stay the night out here. So yeah, everyone's lounging around. Dad's making grass. You guys are burning it. Huh? Are you laying down, huh? You laying down, princess? Oh no. Just laying down. I'm just laying down. I love my dad. Oh, I love my dad. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. What do you guys think? Is Princess gonna let me lay with her? I think so. I think she's like, oh, you're getting a little close. Guy and his cows. This one's just extra special. You vicious animals. You vicious animals. Yep, great day on the dairy. Okay, we just finished, or we're just finishing. We're on the last pass around the very edge. And yeah, we used about 25 pounds more than expected. And that's just me trying to adjust the thing and learn the machine. But in our case, I would rather have more than less. So it's something we'll have to deal with. Coach Mike said make some diamonds, and I think I did. I don't think you can see him on camera, but we made some diamonds, and been working her. Kind of fun. Cows are out, so it gives you extra time to go out and farm and enjoy it. Relieve all that built-in winter stress. So beautiful day here on the Oregon coast. Okay, we're done interseeding for the day. I think next we're just gonna go check the cows, see how they're doing, and then I'm gonna hook up the 75 and start agitating, so we can get some manure out tomorrow. When these trees fell, I carved this one into a nice seat for this exact time. Smart thinking, in my opinion. Got a good view. Holy cows, holy cows. So we milk at 6 tonight, Yeah, there's still a lot of grass. So we probably won't give them any more pasture. They're still at half the field. And then tonight, because it will be their first night outside all night, they will have the rest of the pasture when after everyone's done milking. I'll come out there and put the reel down. We did have one cow bloat today, so we're still on the lookout for that. Well, the chair worked. It's attracted two people to this view. So when our cows bloat, it's usually the time of year where the grass is just growing like crazy, and then it builds immature proteins, as Coach Mike calls it, and it just causes them to bubble, and then they just can't get rid of all these little bubbles that they have, and then we have to treat them. When you bed with straw, your crust sure comes back fast. So once the cows go out, we will be pumping a lot. So I'm coming out here to give the cows the rest of the pasture, so when they're done milking, they can come out and spend the night out here. And there's still, I mean, still quite a bit of grass in here. They haven't really eaten it down too good, which is kind of what we want. We don't want them to eat it bare. So we'll do that when we mow, but just keep them moving along. They're doing good, so we're happy, they're happy. Hopefully they start milking out. Yeah, this is kind of the game on the organic dairy. Forgot I wanted to show you guys the graze line. So here's the graze line. Here's where they've been. And here's where they're going. Hope you guys all had a good day.